At Razer, we make the best smartphones for gamers and craft award-winning gaming laptops. All designed to deliver a phenomenal mobile experience. Whether it's putting immersive entertainment in the palm of your hand or getting amazing productivity with the Razer Blade laptop's larger screen and built-in keyboard. Imagine a future where the power of the Razer Phone merges seamlessly with the versatility of an ultra-portable laptop. Introducing the RAZER Project Linda concept. Dock your Razer Phone and instantly enjoy a full-size backlit keyboard powered by Razer Chroma. See more and do more with a larger screen. Connect a mouse for precise control, and the docked phone transforms from trackpad to a second touchscreen for additional tools, effects, and options. And with the full keyboard and mouse setup, play Android games like never before, with quick access to chat, mini-maps, and more. All this while quickly charging the Razer Phone with the built-in power bank. So you're always ready for work or play. Razer Project Linda, the best of both worlds.
Hey.